Good day, Mom and Sir. Let me introduce myself. My name is Luz Rindes Emiliano, 30 years old. We live in partner of Gerson Bernas. I have 2 daughters. I live in Capalong, Davao del Norte, Philippines. I have 9 siblings, 2 boys and 6 girls. My 2 years experience in Saudi Arabia from 2018 to 2020. I will do household chores like cleaning, cooking, ironing, dishwashing, doing laundry, and most especially taking care of children. To my future employer, this is my first time working in Hong Kong. I am a hardworking, dedicated, and willing to learn the tasks given. If you hire me, I will do my best to do my duties and responsibility, and I promise to finish my contract as long as you need me. Thank you and God bless.